Hey, hi everyone. This is Vinisha from Bhumi Support, and today we are going to see how to build a sample HTTP client process to invoke a web service listener. So here on my screen, I have a sample listener, created to demonstrate this use case. So this listener is called the user API. Let me quickly show you the configuration of the listener. So this listener basically expects an input data, and in response, it provides us a simple welcome message. You know, uh, by taking in the name of the input user. So let me quickly, try to invoke this listener from the external tool called Postman. So this is the Postman setup which I've configured, and this is the URL, and I've configured the authorization as well. So let me quickly pass the input data. This is basically the username. So let me quickly try to test it. So as we see, we are receiving the 200 OK. This means the listener got invoked in Boomi, and it is giving us the response. So let's quickly try to build a sample HTTP client connection within Boomi itself, and try to invoke this listener. So let me create a new process. So let the start shape be as no data. Let me quickly rename this process to HTTP client demo. And since our listener is expecting input data, let me quickly add a message shape and put some text in the body. So this is basically the user name of the user. So let me quickly grab a HTTP connection. HTTP client, create. We name it the HTTP client listener. So let me grab the URL. So this is the base URL. Let me grab this base URL for now. And let's configure the authentication as well. So I've used the basic auth. Let me try to grab this username. Let me enter the password as well. Apply, save and close. Let's quickly configure the operation as well. So the action would be sent since we are sending the data. And let me choose the connection. Click on operation. Let me rename the HTTP client. So let these fields be as is, and the HTTP method has to be post since we are sending the data. So let me fill in the resource path as well. So remember, we have just configured the base URL in the connection. So let me, configure the rest of the URL path in the resource path section. Also, we need to check this return HTTP responses checkbox so that we'll, receive the response from our listener. Click on save and close. Click on OK. Connect these shapes. Let me quickly add a stop shape as well. Save it and test this process. So I've deployed my listener in the test environment. So let me use the test atom cloud. So let's quickly see the output of the listener. So as you can see, we have a sample message. So let me quickly, show you the respective listener execution as well from the process reporting screen. Go to process reporting. And this is the user's API. So let me quickly grab the latest execution. Into the written documents. Let's see the output data. So yeah. So this is the relevant execution which we have triggered from Boomi itself using the HTTP client connector instead of Postman. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.